Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can make turmeric face toner. Yes, how you can do that at the comfort of your home, okay? And this turmeric face toner will help to clear your dark spots, get rid of acne, treat all forms of hyperpigmentations. This turmeric face toner will help to brighten your face, guys. Yes, so that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the turmeric face toner, the first thing you will need is carrot. Go ahead and get 1 stick of carrot, wash and dry it. Then you go ahead and grate it with the smallest size of your grater. We'll be using carrot because carrot helps to protect the skin from sun damage. Carrots are rich in compounds called carotenoids, and it's also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Carrot helps to improve your skin complexion. There are a lot of skin benefits of carrot. It also helps to reduce pimple, um, reverse the signs of premature aging. There are a lot of it. Carrot helps a lot. It helps to improve cell turnover. Okay, so applying carrot juice on your skin will help to improve your skin complexion. Okay, guys. So after grating the carrot, the next thing you have to do is to get a sieve. Now you go ahead and transfer the grated carrot into the sieve and extract the juice. Okay, if you find out that the juice from the carrot is not much for you, maybe you can go ahead and add little water. Okay, but if you grate it with the smallest size of your grater, definitely you will be able to extract a lot of juice from the carrot. Or you can even decide to blend it without adding water. That way the juice in the carrot will come out very well when you squeeze it. When you press it with the spoon, the juice will come out very well. Okay, so it's either you grate it with the grater or you blend, whichever way. Okay guys, so that is it. Like I was saying, there are a lot of skin benefits of carrot. Eating carrots a lot can even help to improve your skin tone from the inside. It will help to improve your skin complexion from the inside. So now I will go ahead and add lemon. This lemon, I made use of the peel. That's why it's looking this way. So I'll go ahead and squeeze in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon into it. So lemon helps to boost skin collagen, and collagen is what is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of your skin. Okay, lemon also helps to reduce dark spots. Okay guys, so lemon helps a lot. It also helps to give you that brighter skin, help you treat acne. If you have dark elbow or dark nails, applying lemon juice on it will help a lot. So now I'll go ahead and add about half tablespoon of turmeric, which is the main product we did in this treatment. Okay, turmeric helps to reduce blemishes. It helps to fade skin scars, brighten the skin, delay the signs of premature aging. Okay, turmeric also helps to moisturize dry skin. After adding turmeric, the next one is honey. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of honey into it. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey helps to diminish the signs of premature aging. There are a lot of skin benefits of honey. Honey helps to fight acne and breakout. It helps to relieve from sunburn. Honey also helps to treat oily face. If you have oily face, applying honey on your face can actually help to reduce that. Now mix it very well. So guys, here I have the treatment. And how do you use this treatment, guys? At night, wash your face. After washing your face, just go ahead and prepare it. I always advise that you prepare it in a small quantity, the one you can use at once use. What's the need of preserving it? What's the need of using and keeping in the fridge? I feel like it's always good to prepare the one you can use at once, okay? Because these are natural ingredients, so you can always make it anytime you need it, right? But if you want to preserve yours, after making it, the remaining one you can store in the fridge. But what I am trying to say is that it's like cooking new food. You know the feelings now. You know the feeling you get when you cook new soup, when you cook new food, okay? It's not the same with the leftover. No, it can never be the same. So that's why I prefer making it in small quantity, and anytime I need it again, I will make another one, okay? But if you want to store your own, you can store in the fridge for 3 days, and after 3 days, discard and prepare another one, right? So how do you use this? At night, after washing your face, go ahead and take your cotton wool, take some amount of it and use it to clean your face. Use this to clean your face. So after cleaning your face with it, you don't need to wash it out. Just let it sit on your face, let it dry on your face. And once it dries up, then you go ahead and wash your face. After washing your face, please don't forget to apply your face cream or your face moisturizer, okay? Just make sure you don't leave your face dry, okay guys? So this will help to treat dark spots. It will help to brighten your face due to the presence of turmeric in it. It will help to treat all forms of skin blemishes, okay guys? So that is it. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.